Okay, so we're gonna. Oh fuck. Okay, so we're gonna watch the Wonderly Werewolf Gumball the basics. Also, this is fan made. Read all this, I'm too lazy to read it. Okay, reading time is done.
Why do we have to keep learning math every day? They've already taught us the important stuff. Why do we need to learn more?
So we can use them in our jobs. Could be an analyst, an accountant, and even a data scientist.
Okay, tell me exactly how a worker at Joyful Burger will need to know that 77 plus 33 equals 100. Plus, why do we need to know the value of pi? You already know it tastes good?
Look at it this way. What if a customer at Joyful Burger wanted 77 burgers and 33 fries on the side? Sure, the employee will wonder how much that is.
Okay, but who would ever order that much food?
Don't you remember when we went there last Saturday?
I will not marry a prince.
I like watching Gumball. So fucking shit. And I
Sir,
love watching
I
Gumball.
think you're in the thing. I guess.
Yeah.
Okay, but who would ever order that much food?
Don't you remember when we went there last Saturday with Mr. Dad? Also, for the record, 77 plus 33 isn't 100.
What? 70, 80, 90. Pfft, whatever, genius.
Oh, Miss Seaman isn't here yet? She's never been late to class before.
Well, there's a first time for everything. I guess that means no class today.
Oh, hi everyone. Apologies for being late. I kinda lost my way on the school for quite a bit. Anyways, settle down, because it's time for everybody's favorite subject.
Excuse me, sir? I think you're in the wrong class.
Really?
So it's raining.
Is this Miss Simeon's classroom by any chance?
Yes?
Well then, that means I'm in the right classroom. Oh, I should probably introduce myself to the class first before I get to anything. My name is Professor Baltimore, but you can just call me Professor BALDdi at that. I'll be your new substitute for today. Miss Simeon isn't here today because she and the other staff members are quote-unquote fed up, so they asked me and my co-workers to fill in for them for today.
I can see where he got his name from.
Yeah, his head shape looks like a maraca. Also, there's something really weird about him. It's like he's too...
Basic?
Yeah.
Gumball, Darwin, I can hear you.
Sorry, we were just talking about how,
You know what? It's fine. Everyone must be quiet because it's time for everybody's favorite subject. Math!
Yay! We're learning
Today,
algebra.
we're going to be looking at algebra.
Math? Everybody's favorite subject?
Gumball, could you please sit back down?
Before I do, I have a few questions. First of all, why do you have a different colored elbow? And second of all, why do you have a wooden ruler? You know you can just use your hands to point at the chalkboard.
Look, kid, if you know what's good for you and you don't want to test my patience, it's best that you sit down and let me do my job.
And third of all, why are you called Mr. Baldy if you still have a single strand of hair? Might as well be called...
I said sit down and listen! Alright, Gumball.
Don't worry, sir. This is just something that happens whenever he's really scared. I'll take him to the infirmary.
I've seen this before. Oh, Mickey, we'll have to do this.
Wait a minute, who's that character?
Okay,
Sorry,
so
I
what's
don't
this working
really.
again?
He watched.
Thank you, Doctor... You...
Don't mention it.
Bye, everyone. See you tomorrow. Oh,
Principal.
Gumball Watterson? Could I see you for a second, actually?
Sure.
We need to have a little talk about your grade.
Oh, a C+? Wow, that's the highest math grade I've ever scored.
The high...
The highest.
grade.
Well, same.
Gumball,
Almost so
look,
dumb.
it appears to me like you could use a lot of help.
Help? No.
Let me finish. As for what I've seen, you seem to be struggling with the formulas a lot recently. But don't you worry, because I could help you with that. Here, take this. It's a handy-dandy math textbook. I wrote it all myself. This should surely help you to do better next time.
Oh, thanks, I guess?
Oh, it's no problem at all. I just don't like seeing any low grades. Bad math isn't tolerated in my classroom, so I would study it for your own good. Now, get on out there. I know for a fact you can get a better grade. Uh-huh.
Dude, what took you so long?
Oh, it was just a substitute. He told me my score on the math test. I got a C+.
A C+? That's the highest grade that you've ever scored. Denied that was in a competition, though.
I know, right? But instead of congratulating me, he told me my score wasn't enough and gave me this weird book thingy.
Huh? Let me see that. All these basics in education and learning. Mathematics edition? That's weird. Some of the math equations in here are impossible to read. The numbers are all jumbled together and mixed up.
I was struggling to come up with an excuse not to read it. Dude, look! There's a QR code on here.
Let's scan it and see where it leads to.
What is it?
What?
Dude,
Wait,
look!
There's a QR.
There's a QR code on here.
Let's scan it and see where it leads to.
Fuck. Guys, should I scan this thing? The thing that I'm pointing at? Should I scan it? I should probably not.
What is this website? There's so many spelling errors, this might as well be a completely new language. Like, what does this word mean? That's not even a button you can type on the keyboard!
He probably just has trouble spelling.
He's a teacher. I don't think anyone would want a teacher who has a terrible case of dilusia.
Dilusia?
You know, dysphagia.
You mean dyslexia?
Dysuria, dyslexia, whatever.
Well, I think that we should write him a letter correcting him about his spelling errors.
Dude, you know you can just write an email, right?
Yeah, but does an email contain shiny gel markers in its paragraphs? I didn't think so.
Actually, this looks kind of fun. Maybe I'll down.
I love gumball. I love gumball. I love gumball.
I want a teacher who has a terrible case of dilusia.
Dilusia?
You know, dysphagia.
You mean dyslexia?
Dysuria, dyslexia, whatever.
Well, I think that we should write him a letter correcting him about his spelling errors.
Dude, you know you can just write an email, right?
Yeah, but does an email contain shiny gel markers in its paragraphs? I didn't think so. What the?
What?
All my notebooks are gone! I probably left them back at school.
You're telling me you left all your class notes at school?
Yeah, he did it for a reason. For a reason to go back to school.
And you didn't even realize?
Well, I was probably too busy to notice. Anyways, I'm gonna go back to school and get them. And you're coming with me.
What? I can't.
Why not?
I'm busy.
Doing what?
Practicing my eating? Yeah, see? Yeah. Fine, I'll come with.
Oh, hi. Welcome back to my schoolhouse.
What the what? Mr. BALDdi? What are you still doing here?
I should be asking the same question to you.
Oh, we just came back to...
Oh, don't you worry. I know what you're here for. You're here to collect your notebooks.
To grab
How did you...
I
Yeah, he can read your notes.
already knew because I saw one of your notebooks laying in that classroom right over there.
Oh, thanks, I guess.
Oh.
Not yet.
I knew it. He's gonna ask you a question, and the third question is gonna be.
But hey, where'd you come from?
That's none of your concern. What is, though, is that in order to collect this notebook, you have to answer 3 math problems correctly. And if you do, you might get something special.
Whatever.
Here, catch.
A coin.
Okay, Gumball. Just let.
At least give $10.
Dude, why?
What?
All right, Gumball. Shirley did a good job on these math questions.
Mr. Baldi, is everything okay?
Yep, he's gone crazy. Run.
Damn, he's.
I
he
think if we
that
want to make this
slow?
seem like a chase, we're gonna have to adapt to his speed.
How are we gonna do that?
Just do as I do.
Hey, dude, another classroom. Let's go check and see if one of my notebooks is in there. Hey, there's one in here. I suspect that Mr. Baldi put these math pack thingies in his classroom in order for us to improve our math grades somehow.
Wow.
Can we just throw it and like grab it?
Real
already?
fun.
Okay, let me just handle this. Okay, 4, 9, and what?
Huh? I thought we were learning mathematics, not ancient hieroglyphics. What do we do? Oh, he's almost here!
Wait, what did Gumball? Yeah, whatever.
Forget it, let's move.
Oh no, he's gonna.
We really gotta get out of here.
No running in the hall.
What?
15 seconds. Detention for you. Don't make me do this again.
Where did he even come from?
I think he must be one of those coworkers Mr. Baldi was talking about earlier during class. But if we're not allowed to run, then how are we supposed to avoid?
Peekaboo.
Sorry.
Huh? Who are you?
Give me something great.
Not Gumball. He from
I got
Gumball.
something great for you, buddy. A suggestion. Maybe hit the gym once in a while. It'd help a lot. Actually, maybe not once in a while. Say, once every hour. Anyways, we gotta run.
No items, no pass.
Oh, is that how it is? All right, then.
Gumball fighting Bully Boy.
What are you doing?
Chickening out. What does it look like?
No items, no pass.
Gumball, let's just go home.
What about your notebooks, though?
We can just come and get them tomorrow.
No! Look, we can't give up now. Sure, some tall middle-aged teacher who looks like an assortment of polygons stuck together is chasing us around the school with a ruler in order to do who knows what to us. But that shouldn't stop us from our goal. What did President Isaac Newton do when the White House was at risk of being overrun by alien gorillas from outer space? He didn't give up. So why should we? So come on, my semi-aquatic fish. Brother friend, we have...
What Gumball say? Oh no, it's 11 minutes. Oh no, gotta go. It's continued in part 2. Why am I